currently doing a garden installment because I'm putting down some plant fertilizer, which is this, into my containers. I couldn't get that out. I can't talk today. I also put in worm castings, and I got this black one right here left to fertilize and put plant food in. And today is May the 22nd, and I'm starting on this one empty. Of course it's empty, but I'm going to put my seedlings in this. This is going to be my herbs on this side, and my butters, lettuce is going to be on this side once the seedlings become transplant, once I'm able to transplant. And then my kale is going to be on this side. So I'm already started here. I'm going to just take the wood chips cover off, and I found some pill bugs and slugs. And here I found pill bugs in this green one. Yesterday I didn't film it, but I found came out here at night, I found like 12 slugs. I think they call slugs and not snails, because snails the one got the shell on the back. So slugs, they didn't have no shell. I found that in this black container, slugs. And I found pill bugs in this container. And I was wondering, when I peeled this one back with the onions, I was wondering when was my other onions, 6 onions gonna pop up. Well, 5 onions gonna pop up. They never did, because I believe the pill bugs ate them. And when I peeled back this wood chips to add the plant food and fertilizer in there, I dig a little deep where I planted those, and they was all gone. So I'm gonna assume that something ate them, and what I found was pill bugs. So I'm gonna say it was them. I also found a worm in my container as well. I left him in there because he's very beneficial, but I did pick out the pill bugs, so I don't want the pill bugs. So once I'm finished, all I'm gonna do is I wanted to show you a completed version, but I don't think I got enough. See, here go a pill bug right here. If you see it, yeah. I'm gonna throw it out. I'm gonna catch it. We used to call them did I catch it? Yeah. We used to call them roly-polies back in my day, and I was trying not to kill them. But I'm gonna discard this pill bug, and I'm gonna come back. Okay, so I'm back, and as you can see, the wood chips are removed. For the container compartments that have not had anything plant in it, what I do like to go and do is since I'm about to get these I'm gonna just call them compartments or pods ready, these two, I like to go in with my rake and break it up so it can be back fluffy. It won't be so compact. So I just like to go in and do that, because I am getting this bed ready for the seedlings as well. I found pill bugs. I haven't found any worms in this compartment over here, and I dig pretty deep, so unless they all the way at the bottom or whatever, I don't think there's any worms in this compartment or on this side. So I'm gonna take my vegetable and tomato and fruit granule fertilizer. It looks like this. I'm gonna just sprinkle it in like so, and I'm gonna scratch it or work it into the soil. I'm not gonna put too much, but yeah, just a little. That's probably I don't know. I read the directions, but it's probably what, a tablespoon. I don't know, probably a teaspoon. I'm just working that into the dirt here. Like I said before, I am getting this ready for seedlings, my little vegetable seedling, which is the kale. I'm putting here, but I'm trying to wait till they get a little bigger. I think they kind of stunted the growth because of the rain. We had so much rain, and hopefully they got some growth on them. So they still growing. They just slow. It just slowed down considerably since the rain. So then on top of that, I put the worm castings. Like so. And I'm not going to show the other compartments because I'm basically doing the exact same thing. And I don't think this phone has a lot of memory on it. So I put the worm castings in, which is the black gold. Very beneficial to your plants. And I'm going to work that in as well. And so we're going to get a slow release and a healthy dose of plant food. And this stuff is very, very good, the soil in this container, because when something hits this thing, and even if the wood chips on there, it's automatically growing. And I'm assuming that's why the worms is over here as well, because they like this mixture. And I think if you have worms in your containers, that's a good indication that you have good aeration in the soil. I don't know. That's just me. Maybe not. But I'm going to put the wood chips back in. Like so. And then I'll just... I put wood chips in here. And a lot of these wood chips from last year has broken down considerably. They was red wood chips. And now it's like, you know, and it was thick. I had about 2 inches in here. And they done broke down from this year. So that's that on that. That's completed. I got a little bit more wood chips over here. But I packed these things, this one. There's so much wood chips that, I mean, I still got some left. So yeah, now that's that. And I'm going to do that for the remainder of these 4 pots over here. And as y'all can see, my stuff has been growing. I put this on the other video that I haven't put out yet. I'm going to have to edit it and put it out. But they growing pretty good. When I woke up in the middle of the night, I came out here at about 11. And it was like 12 slugs all on these potato plants. And so I picked them. No, I sprayed it with neem oil. Came back 30 minutes later. They was all gone but 3. And then one actually traveled. Well, I don't know if it traveled, but one was found. I came back at 1 something. It was 1 on my lettuce. About 3 over here. And 1 on my strawberries right here. As you can see, it has slug damage because they've been eating the whatchamacallit. That's why it's jagged edges like this. And that's the damage the slugs been doing. And I bought some slug. I brought some Slug Plus, and it's supposed to kill cut worms, peel bugs, which we call roly-polies, and snails and slugs, because they're eating my potato plants. If you can see these jagged edges, and yeah, jagged edges because they've been munching on them slugs. If you can see that, like down here as well, they munched on my. Almost ate this thing right on up, and I'm trying to make sure my strawberry plants keep growing and being healthy. So yeah, so I'm gonna get this container. Yeah, they took a big chunk out of this one. So I'm gonna finish this container with the fruit and vegetable fertilizer and the worm castings. And I guess I'll come back when I'm finished with that to show you the finished product. But this is the first container finished. And I say my plants are looking rather good. So they should give them a little boost. I'm also going to give them a good water. So after I'm finished. So I'll show you that. But until then, or if I don't come back, peace.